When it comes to fall protection, you need to know which standards apply to your workplace. Employers have the responsibility to provide a safe workplace and to communicate safety requirements to their employees. The purpose of this video is to help you become familiar with widely used OSHA standards that relate to fall protection. OSHA standards are rules that describe the methods that employers must use to protect their employees from hazards. Please keep in mind that federal standards are adopted nationwide and some states create their own additional requirements. This training is based on Oregon OSHA standards, which you can get from our website, osha.oregon.gov. Once the page loads, click on A to Z Topics in the top left corner. The go-to standard for construction is Division 3, Subdivision M, titled Fall Protection. This 52-page document is a critical building block for many companies' safety programs because it outlines the specifics for most fall protection systems. For requirements regarding scaffolds, scissor lifts, boom lifts, and aerial platforms, please refer to Division 3, Subdivision L. For requirements regarding steel erection, please refer to Division 3, Subdivision R. General industry fall protection is covered in Division 2, Subdivision D, titled Walking Working Surfaces. The term general industry refers to all industries not engaged in agriculture, construction, maritime, and forestry activities. Scaffolding requirements in general industry are referenced from the same one that construction uses, Division 3, Subdivision L. Personal fall protection equipment is covered in Division 2, Subdivision I, Personal Protective Equipment. It will be of great value to you and your company to have a good knowledge of OSHA standards that relate to your industry and how to apply them.